In this video of Facebook ads course, we will learn about the audience. How many types of audience are there? As you know, we've learned how to set up pixel in Facebook and then we learned how to set up events. Now, the audience is also very important for us because if we will have the right audience, the perfect audience, right? And if we target those audience, then our results will also be much better. We'll get conversions too. And we will also be able to achieve our goals, right? But how to? Select the audience, how to target them, that's a topic for later. First of all, let's understand how many types of audiences actually exist. So you can see here on my screen. When we are at the age set level, this is where we configure all the settings for the audience and so on. So over here, in audience section, the first thing you'll see is the option of use saved audience. Look, I'm clicking on it right here. Now you will see several audiences here like education, lead for Shimla tour, okay? And others like real estate leads. So what kind of audience is this? So friends, whenever we create any campaign of Facebook, and in it we set all these location, age, gender, demographic and detailed targeting options. When we apply all of this targeting and select our audience, right? And suppose if we save it and let's suppose if we give it any specific name. That is what we call as a saved audience. So what does a saved audience mean? It means that if I had created a campaign of real estate and there I have saved that audience by the name of real estate leads. So in the future, if that campaign and that audience ever performed very well, then after some time I want to get real estate leads again. Instead of creating that audience again, I can just use the audience that I have created earlier from my saved audiences. So I don't need to build the audience again. That's what we call a saved audience. After that, as we will come down, then we will see. Yes, see here. There's an option in custom audience. When I will click on create new, you will see custom audience and lookalike audience. Now what is custom audience? It is an audience that we generate by ourselves. How do we generate it? Suppose we have added pixels. We take the pixel from our Facebook ad account and place it on our website. We've added it. Along with that, in our ad account, our Facebook page and even our Instagram page are also connected. So when our audience or when our users will go to our website and if they will perform a particular action or they'll come to Facebook page, like a post or watch something, view a video or do something similar on Instagram, we can create separate audiences for all of these actions. Like in Google, we can make and create one list, okay? Right? So there we create the lists of website visitors or of YouTube visitors and all sorts of custom lists. In the same way here as well, we can create a custom audience. For example, people who have visited my website, interacted with my Facebook page or with videos or who have interacted on Instagram. We can create separate custom audience for each of them. So over a certain period of time, as more and more users will visit our pages. For instance, let's say I created a custom audience of my website visitors. So if 10,000 people have visited the website within 6 months, then those people have formed a custom audience and I can target them. So basically I can use those audience in the ad or campaign. The same goes for Facebook and Instagram audiences. And there are many other types as well, and now we will learn how to create all these custom audience. In coming videos, I'll teach you practically as that is important. Because with this you are targeting custom audiences as there is the high chances of conversion and you can use them for remarketing also. Because that is a hot audience for us, right? And now let's suppose that on my website, what is lookalike audience? The option is coming below. So in the custom audience, as I have told you that I have made the custom audience of website visitor. Now if 10,000 people visited in 6 months, so I have data of those people. But if I use same audience to create a lookalike audience, it means that based on those people in my custom audience of website visitors who are like them. Also who are on Facebook, I mean that Facebook will find and target similar audience. So that is lookalike audience. This means that those audience that are best audience for AS, I mean the custom audience, which you can simply say that it is important. And that data is very meaningful and useful data. But we want Facebook to give us more audiences just like that one. Alright? Or of same kind so that we can get better conversions and we can get better results. that is called as lookalike audience. So you have the saved audience, custom audience and lookalike audience. I hope you've understood. In coming videos, we'll learn to create custom audiences in different ways. And we'll learn to create lookalike audience. We will cover from the basics to the advanced topics in this course. Keep learning like this. I hope this topic was clear to you. Thank you.